So yesterday we have started the NCERT exemplar questions of 11th chapter, that is light. We have done some questions. We are continuing the chapter with more questions. And the next question says that a girl Paheli observed a shadow of tree at 8 a.m. in the morning, 12 noon, 3 just before evening. So which of the statement is closest to her observation about shape and size of shadow? So Chahat has given the answer. Anyone else? Anyone else who want to give the answer? Tani has also given the answer. Keith has also given the answer. So the correct answer is option C. Okay, both the size and shape of the shadow of tree change. Okay, option C is the correct answer. We know that at different positions of the daytime, the sunlight have the different angle angle of light which they fall to form a shadow. So this is the reason that we are having different position of shadow of an object. Next question. Which of the following can never form a circular shadow? You can have the reason also of previous answer. I am writing the reason. because with the change in the position of the sun, the size and the shape of the shadow of tree changes. Okay. This is the complete answer of the MCQ with proper reason that why we are having the option correct. Okay. So second question, Chahat has given the answer. Kushal Parak, Vanshika. Deshna also given, Prateek. So the correct answer here is C, that is shoebox, because a shoebox is rectangular in shape and hence it cannot form a circular shadow. Rest all three options are almost circular, so they can form a circular shadow at a particular point, but a rectangle shape cannot form circular shape. Okay. Clear? Everyone write it down in your copies so that you will have the proper knowledge of each and every concept. So moving to the next question. Here is the next question on your screen. Two students sitting across a table look down onto its top surface. They noticed that they could see their own and each other's image. The tabletop is likely to made up of which material it is made up of so that they can see their image. So Tani, Deshna, Chahat, Vanshika, Manya, they have given the answer. Yes, Kumar.
Sir, glass sheet.
Okay, let's see. So the correct answer is option C, that is glass sheet, because glass can form image by reflection or refraction. Okay. Next question. The statement is wrong. You have to correct the statement. The statement here given is wrong. We have to correct the statement that the color of shadow of an object depends on color of object. So what is the correct statement? So the correct statement will be the color of the shadow of an object does not depend on its color, because shadow is always black in color. Okay, the color of shadow of an object does not depend on its color. If the object is red in color, the shadow will be black in color. If the object is blue in color, then also the shadow will be black in color. Understood the concept? The shadow is always black in color. It doesn't matter what color the object is having. Now again, the same question, correct the following statement. Transparent object allow light to pass through them partially. So correct, this statement is wrong. Correct the statement. This statement is already wrong. You have to correct it. So the correct statement will be transparent object allow most of light to pass through them, and translucent object allow light to pass through them partially. So the statement was wrong, that transparent object allow the light to pass. It is not transparent, it is translucent object that allow the partial light to pass. But transparent allow almost all the light to pass through them. Clear this thing? I think we have completed the chapters. Already we have completed the course. We are just doing the revision of chapters one by one. Next question. A bird or an aeroplane on sunny days. Sunny days means we are having some clouds in the sky. So they are flying high in the sky. So can there be shadow on the ground? And if not, under what circumstances we can see the shadow? And if we are not having the shadow of aeroplane and birds, what is the reason? First part of question is there will be shadow or not? If yes, very good. If no, what is the reason? Okay, so Manya has given the correct answer. With proper reason. The ground acts as a screen in the formation of shadow. So the distance of screen and object means bird or aeroplane, is very far. So we are not having the proper shadow formation. Okay. If we want shadow, the object and the screen should be at a proper distance. Understood the question? If we want the shadow formation of aeroplane or birds flying high, then the object should be at low height and close to the ground.